Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by granting permissions and launching the recorder. Do this now. Open Settings, find Screen Recorder under Apps, enable mic and storage access so audio and files save. Once done, swipe down from the top to open Quick Settings and tap the Screen Recorder tile to launch. Make sure to select the audio source before you hit record, mic, system audio, or both. This ensures your clips capture sound correctly and saves time later when you edit or share. Now configure quality and controls for the session. Tap the recorder's settings icon to choose resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. Higher values equal clearer video and bigger files. Once set, enable the countdown to avoid accidental input, turn on show touches if you're demonstrating taps, and keep the floating control button active for pause/resume. If you want app audio plus commentary, choose mic plus system. Then do a short test recording to balance volume, so nothing is too loud or too quiet during capture. Finish by stopping the recording with the floating control or the notification control. The file saves automatically to Gallery under Screen Record. Once saved, open the clip in Gallery to trim, add music, or export to other apps. This is how you polish before sharing. If you plan to upload, confirm format and size first. One key troubleshooting tip: if you record no audio, double-check microphone permission and the selected audio source. If that fails, restart the phone and try again. This clears common audio routing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.